Roblox App Not Loading. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Roblox application on your device. So as you can see, there's no option of update available on my device. So it means that I have the latest version of the app on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Roblox, then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on Clear Data, you'll be given two options of Clear Cache and Clear Data. So you can just clear cache, or if it's possible, then you can also delete all data. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. Over here, then it's not allowed. So I'm gonna go to every single option and tap on allow and give that access to these features. Now for that, go back and try to restart your device and this might work. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.